All right, mate. Let's have a look here. Based on the high volume strategy on the 10-minute chart, you ended up loading up on the bottom. Yeah, well done. 10 minutes. It's trying to hold this level at least. The daily does not have huge volume. It doesn't have to have huge volume at all. I'm just kind of pointing it out. So there's 3 days left here in the 2 week candle. It is a slightly bearish candle. We have a stop hunt, obviously the rejection. But any bounce over here over the weekend would completely change this candle. Now, 3 month candle, as you can see, looks a lot better. This looks pretty bullish, and it looks like it's very possible that, well, it's tough to say if there's going to be any dip on the new month or not. There is quite a large rejection here, as you can see, but it's also a big bullish engulfing candle. So, we really just have to see how this opens up. But there's definitely some sort of a breakout volume. You can see this volume here is huge. There's definitely some sort of breakout volume here on this candle, implying that there's something finally happening in the EOS, and potentially that they're going to try and run this higher. Normally, you get volume like this. There usually is a sell-off, and we got that sell-off. But is it going to open up on a new month and continue to go higher? At this point, you have to think maybe there's a small dip on a new month. This looks pretty bullish to me. This is a monthly chart and it looks pretty bullish. There's a big accumulation here. You can see, obviously, even on this candle, there was some sell-off on both candles that we got. This is okay. It's natural. It's a lot more natural than some of these altcoins that just absolutely mooned, to be fair, to be honest. They were manipulation buying in a way. I don't know, exchanges buying them up or whales buying them up. Things don't normally moon like that unless they have some backing. This obviously doesn't have the backing yet. That's more normal price action. But this is a very good sign. So can that low hold from today? Well, the thing is, there's not much of a dip here. There's not much of a wick here unless it's bought up pretty strong over the next 3 days. You would have to think that there might be some sort of dip, before moving higher again. We've had quite large rejections up here. I do think, with patience, it will go higher. But if you bought on the lows, I would be holding that to see if this low can actually hold.